First at 10 tonight, a federal judge deciding today ICE cannot arrest people in Oregon without a warrant. This after Portland-based Innovation Law Lab filed a motion asking a judge to prevent those types of arrests. Good evening to you and thanks for joining us tonight on this Wednesday. I'm Elizabeth Dinh. Anthony has the night off. This is the 10. Oregon now joins Washington, D.C. and Colorado in preventing these warrantless arrests. The attorneys from Innovation Law Lab were met with major pushback from the federal government. We want to bring in our Ariel Yakabazi. She joins us live from downtown Portland tonight. In fact, she was inside that federal courtroom just hours ago as that decision came down. Ariel?
Liz, that hearing lasted just about 8 hours, which is 4 hours past how long it was supposed to last. And the judge ultimately ruled in favor of Innovation Law Lab, ruling that federal agents cannot arrest someone without a warrant unless they can prove that person is a flight risk. That's here in the state of Oregon. Innovation Law Lab officials say this decision is a long time coming. Attorneys for the federal government and Innovation Law Lab duking it out before the U.S. District Court Judge Mustafa Kusubai in a Portland courtroom today. Stephen Manning with the Law Lab says the goal was to stop ICE's policy of arrest first, justify later. Judge Kusubai eventually ruling in their favor, not before hours of back and forth.
The court entered an injunction and ordered the government to immediately, effective now, stop the practice of making warrantless arrests.
A name that's made headlines with this case is Victor Cruz. He's the Hillsborough man arrested last year, spending 3 weeks in a Tacoma detention facility, even though he had a valid work visa. He spoke with us just days after his release.
They have the picture and they knew that it wasn't me still. They arrest me.
He and others told the judge about their experiences in court Wednesday.
People can return to feeling that not your existence is at stake, but that there is decency again here in the state.
The judge is basically asking the feds to provide additional documentation to a detainee's record to show that ICE agents are following the law. That information will also go to attorneys representing a detainee. Are you confident that this might be a catalyst for change?
We're very confident that this will be a catalyst for change here in Oregon because it is the law.
I did reach out to the defendants in this case, that is the Department of Homeland Security. I am still waiting to hear back tonight. Meantime, there is no set court date for this injunction and no length in time, but that is, of course, depending on if those defendants, that's DHS, do abide by this injunction. Reporting live in downtown Portland tonight, Ariel Yakabazi for Portland CW.
Ariel, thank you.